All right, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear PJ. Happy birthday to you. 14 years old. Never looked a day over 13. I'm kidding, baby. You never had a dog in your life, go get yourself a good dog. Know what unconditional love is. As long as you're unconditional, it involves treats and snacks and food. And make sure you love them back 100% so they can give that back to you. Alright, you guys seen enough of my dog licking his Pupper cup. But isn't that cute? The girl at the Starbucks gave him a little happy birthday cup. I'm probably going to save